7 years ago was whenever I purchased my Nissan 350Z stock, and it was pretty much untouched aside from a head unit. And this was decided at the time that it was going to be my forever car. I was going to always have it. I was always going to keep it in my garage lineup in some way, shape, or form. And I just decided I was never going to sell it. But 2 weeks ago, I did sell it. And I'm going to talk to you guys about that in today's video, when I lost interest, the things I did to it, and how it changed me over the years. Because that car did impact my life a ton. I actually would not be sitting here talking to you guys in front of this camera right now if it wasn't for that car. Long story short, the 350Z was my first real car to me. I had a couple other beater cars before then, but this was like my first real sports car and my only real sports car really, and I kept it for a really long time. I completely modded it. I went through and replaced the transmission, did tons of upgrades, tunes, you name it, I've probably done it to that car. I met a ton of people through that car. I got into photography with that car, which then led me into videography, and which led me into this job here at Toasty Bros. And that pretty much paved the way for where I am today. So the car I owe a lot to, but I kind of lost interest in it over a couple of years. And if you guys have been watching this channel for quite a while, you'll know that I used to make a lot of videos with my Z actually. And I actually had a little bit extra free time back then, and I was able to make the content that I wanted to with that car. And that was especially right whenever I was pretty much getting everything finished up with my vision that I have for the car, which took a handful of years, of course. But ever since I stopped filming those videos and I ended up moving recently, after moving and losing that space to work on the car aside from your driveway, and it just became more of a hassle than actually being able to enjoy the car every time I took it out. And I think that's kind of when I decided that I didn't really want an older car that I could wrench on all the time and dump hours and hours into on the side whenever I was free and everything like that. It's a really weird feeling because, like I said, I always thought I would keep this car, but I don't have it anymore. And it's kind of a weird feeling because that car has been around for a really long time. But you can even tell I stopped making videos on it. I basically finished the vision that I wanted to do with it. And then over the years as well, that vision changed, and everything that I've done to it, I'd probably want to go back through and touch up and redo and tweak some things here and there. And then when you're so far into a project like that, putting more money into it after you've gotten it to a point that you thought you would like, it's just one of those feelings where it's like, do I want to put more money into it, or do I want to sell it, start over, and try with a different platform? And that's honestly what I did. I sold the car, like I said, about 2 weeks ago, and I am still on the hunt for a new car, but I always think I'm going to miss that 350Z, and I'll probably regret it one day whenever I have the place to work on it and the time to put into it. And I do have time, it's just the priorities that have changed over the years and wanting to put the time in. That's really what has changed for me, honestly. And that's just, I think that's the downside with doing a full build and then wanting to redo the build and do some serious stuff to it. I just didn't want to put the time and money into it anymore because I put a lot of it into it. And yeah, one day I'll regret it, but that's kind of the way I feel about selling my forever car. Kind of a sad day whenever I did sell it, but you know what? I think I'll enjoy the next build a lot too, and something a bit newer is what I've been looking for because I just want to sit down and make this quick video, kind of sending my Z off in case you were wondering if I'd ever make videos on it again, and just to commemorate the car because I feel like it deserves at least that because it was there for me for a long time. So she's gone, I will miss her, and that's pretty much all I've got for you guys today. So if you guys want to see more car content on the next build that I do, please let me know down in the comments below. I'll be happy to make a few videos on whenever I pick it up and maybe my future plans and just my experience with owning the next car, because I'm hoping the next build that I pick up gives me that bit of extra spark to make content on it and just take you guys through the process of doing some small mods and upgrades and just experiencing the next one. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys want to see that, but we'll see you guys next week. Peace out.